Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Wayne and it's time for quiz number 2 in our music theory quiz series, which presents a step-by-step approach to mastering music theory, starting from the basics and gradually progressing to more advanced concepts. These quizzes are all about having fun while you learn. In quiz number 2, you will encounter specific questions about the treble and the bass clefs, and once again the instructions are simple. After you hear each question, select the correct answer from the available options, and following your selection, there will be a 5-second countdown after which the correct answer will be announced. If you enjoy musical quizzes and want more content like this, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more music theory quizzes. Let's get started. Question 1. What is the primary function of the treble clef? A. To indicate the rhythm of the music, B. To indicate the notes on the treble staff, or C. To indicate the tempo of the music. And the answer is B. To indicate the notes on the treble staff. Question 2. The treble clef is also known as the A. F clef, B. C clef, or C. The G clef. The answer is C, the G clef. Question 3. What does the treble clef indicate about the notes on the staff? A. They are played in a lower register. B. They are played in a higher register. Or C. They have no specific range. And the answer is B. They are played in a higher register. Question 4. When drawing the treble clef, which line of the staff do you begin by encircling? A. The first line, B. The second line, or C. The third line? And the answer is B. The second line. Question 5. The second line of the staff within the treble clef represents the note G, A, or B. And the answer is number A, G. Question 6. Why is the treble clef also called the G clef? A. Because it's an old-fashioned capital letter G. B. Because of its unique position on the staff. And C. Both of the above. And the answer is C. Both of the above. Question 7. What is the primary function of the bass clef? A. To indicate dynamics. B. To indicate the notes on the bass staff. Or C. To indicate articulation. And the answer is B. To indicate the notes on the bass staff. Question 8. What does the bass clef indicate about the notes on the staff? A. They are played in a higher register. B. They are played at any pitch. Or C. They are played in a lower register. And the answer is C. They are played in a lower register. Question 9. The bass clef is also known as the A. F clef, B. G clef, or C. The A clef. And the answer is A, the F clef. Question 10. Which instruments typically use the bass clef? A, the flute and oboe, B, the cello and trombone, or C, the violin and trumpet? And the answer is B, the cello and trombone. Question 11. Which language does the word clef originate from? A. Latin, B. French, or C. Italian? And the answer is B. French. Question 12. When drawing the bass clef, which line of the staff do you begin by encircling? A. The fourth line, B. The third line, or C. The second line? And the answer is A, the fourth line. Question 13. The fourth line of the staff within the bass clef represents the note C, G, or F. And the answer is number C, F. Question 14. What acts as the key that unlocks the pitch and sound of the notes on the music staff? A, the clef sign, B, volume control, or C, musical instruments? And the answer is A, the clef sign. Question 15. Why is the bass clef also called the F clef? A, because it was voted as such, B, because of its unique position on the staff, or C, because there was nothing else to call it? And the answer is B, because of its unique position on the staff. Question 16. What indicates the range or the register that musical instruments play on the staff? A, the guitar tuner, B, the piano keyboard, or C, the treble and bass clefs? And the answer is C, the treble and bass clefs. Question 17. The violin typically uses which clef? A, the treble clef, or B, the bass clef? The answer is A, the treble clef. Question 18. The tuba typically uses which clef? A, the treble clef, or B, the bass clef? And the answer is B, the bass clef. Question 19. The clarinet typically uses which clef? A, the treble clef, or B, the bass clef? And the answer is A, the treble clef. And our last question for this quiz is question 20. The bassoon typically uses which clef? A, the treble clef, or B, the bass clef? And our answer is B, the bass clef.